What's up, everybody? Doing another BeamNG. I can never do that because words are fucking hard. Today I will be doing... Ow, I just cut my thumb on my steering wheel. Today I will be doing, more chases. This is a piece of shit chasing a van. And this piece of shit does not turn very well, and my thumb is bleeding, so, you know. But, I'll be chasing this van. The goal is to stop the van, and this little piece of shit reminds me of my first car, and that's not a good thing. Ow. The goal is to stop this stupid van. Ugh. I spun him. Didn't fucking help. Okay. Thumb seems to have stopped bleeding, so that's a good thing. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God, he's fucking faster than I am, too. Because this thing has a top speed of shit. Top speed is probably no higher than its fucking resale value. Ugh. Shoved him into a tree! Oh, God. What happened? Oh, God. He ended up on top of me. I'm not a mechanic, but that's not a good thing. Let's start that shit over. See if I can catch up to this bitch. But I decided to get my steering wheel out. Someone awesome, sorry dude, forgot your name, commented and told me it's a lot greater with this steering wheel, and they were not wrong. This game is so much more fun with the steering wheel. It's kind of hard to whip the wheel, but, you know, it's not a controller, so I actually have, like, actual control over the damn car. Which is why I haven't, you know, crashed anything crazy other than when I was trying to stop him, just like this. Shove him into the trees. I can't shove him because this thing has torque of like a foot-pound maybe. Damn it. I keep bumping my mic too, so I apologize for that. Because the mic is right next to my damn steering wheel. I'm gonna have to do something about that. Let's see if I can catch this bitch. Oh shit, oversteered it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Where's he going? Not into the tree. Really wish I could make it not make that grindy noise whenever I turn, but, you know, whatever. Oh, God. Car appears to be pulling to the left a little bit. So now I'm driving at like a 10-degree angle on the steering wheel, so that's kind of fun. Probably fucked it whenever I ran into that tree. Let's see if I can buy this bitch a one-way ticket to destination fucked. Spin him in. Oh, that's probably bad. And I'm on my roof. Did I win? I won! Yeah! I won, but I'm on my roof. But, you know, you can still do your job on your roof, apparently. So let's give it one more go. If I can remember, there we go. That is forward. Kick my mic up a little bit so I stop punching it. Would probably be good. Whoops! Oh, God. Yep, well, that was my bad. I looked at my phone. And that is why distracted driving is not a good idea. So I can do it from this angle, just so you can... Oh, Jesus. That's pukey. Holy crap. There we go. It's really hard to see with all the smoke, so I'm gonna go back in here. Because this thing apparently smokes worse than, you know, a person that smokes a lot. Ugh. Oh. Hood's kind of fucked. Got him. Maybe. Trying to floor him into the trees. And I set the parking brake. Bitch ain't going nowhere. Alright, I'll give it one more go because that's not enough time, so I'll give it one more shot just to see what other fucking shit happens. Or funny shit happens. I think there is another cop chase that I can do after this. But there are not a lot of scenarios, so I'm gonna see if I can do some chases where I get chased by AI, which never seems to go well because the AI seems to just fucking drive off like that. They do that. Only they don't say anything, they just do it. Oops, that's the brake. Fuck. See if I can get him. Uh-oh. That's a tree. Turn, you slut. I don't know what I was implying there with the turn, you slut. Apparently sluts don't fucking turn well. Well, I fucking ran into his wheel and it didn't do anything other than make it harder for me to see, so that was not the smartest thing I've ever done. Jesus. Can't wreck it. Wish my hood would fuck off. Seems to always get him in this turn. See if I can get him before the turn. Spin him in the tunnel. That didn't do a goddamn thing. Oh, well, I can't move, so neither can he. Yay! He's just stuck. I guess I pinned him. Alright, let's go to... shut the fuck up. Let's go to scenarios. Just did that one. I am going to do... Nope, not that one. It's this one right here. This is another scenario that I like to do. It's a little harder because you can't really damage the car, unfortunately, because it's like... It says that the car's new, or... I forget the premise, but you can't damage it, so that makes it really hard for me because, you know, I drive it like a jackass. So that makes that a little more challenging. Yeah, see, it says, make sure not to damage your brand new Hirachi Sunburst Police Edition. The car is just 2 days old. So the goal is not to damage it, which seems to dick me a lot. Oh, Jesus. I'm in a small town, and I can't drive at all. I need to be in this mode. There's a car right there. Is that the getaway car? That is the getaway car. Get him! Oh shit, I can hear his turbo fucking popping off. Boink. I damaged my car. Apparently that's okay. He's going left. I think. Yep, left. I give him a little love nudge into the trees. Oh, nope. Oh, fuck. I caught air and I didn't even lose. That was awesome. I can hear him by his turbo discharge. Yeah? Yeah? God, he is fast. Why is he shifting so damn much? This is a slow down spot. I'm catching him. See if I can spin him into the fucking woods. Oh shit. Oh god. Whew! You didn't see what I just did, but I wheeled the shit out of this thing. He is faster than me, but he's... Oh god! Every time I get close to him, he seems to get a better lead on me. Take the inside corner. Give him a little nudge. Oops, I failed. Damn it! Oh. Oh, yeah, well, I failed when I smashed into the tree. Not really, but, you know. I failed like the Redskins. Okay. Boink. Woo! Can't really smash up my car. That might have failed me. Nope, okay. Oh, fuck. What? I nudged the little dude. Damage is at 0, but 100%. Kiss my left nut. Okay. That's why this one seems to fucking elude me. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's a light post. Drive it like I stole it. Just like my daddy taught me. Came around that corner a little hot. Ah, fuck nuts. Oh, God. Bloody hell. Probably failed. No. Whoops. Did he just fucking pit maneuver me? Alright. Turn my right blinker on, because that's important. I think he damaged me. I think my bumper fell off. Oh God, I just heard something crash. Like bunts him into a damn tree. He's slowing down. He's slowing down. Give him a little nudge. Oh, that's a tree. That's more trees. I fucking nudged a tree and I... See if I can catch him.